Hello class, welcome to geometry. Today we will be discussing circles, specifically proving them similar. Now I'm sure you all know how to pronounce the word circle, but just in case you're confused, here's a visual. Here's a picture of a circle. I'm sure you've seen these in many of your other classes before and you're familiar with circles. The formal definition of a circle is a closed plane curve consisting of all points at a given distance from a point within it, called the center. The equation that we use for a circle is x squared plus y squared equals r squared. The reason why we study circles is because many things in everyday life are represented by them. Also, we use circles in several proofs to prove theorems about mathematical concepts and ideas. In general, we say that two figures are similar if there is a set of transformations that will move one figure exactly covering the other. Similarly, to prove any two circles similar, all we need is a translation, a slide, and a dilation, an enlargement, or a reduction. To prove circles similar, we use the differences in the center coordinates to determine the translation, and we use the quotient of the radii for the dilation. Let's do some examples. Show that circle C with center -1, 2 and radius 3 is similar to circle D with center 3, 4 and radius 5. To transform circle C to the larger circle D, we only need to find the translation for the center and the enlargement ratio for the radius. The translation is to slide the center 4 units to the right and 2 units up. To enlarge circle C to the same radius as D, the enlargement ratio is the quotient of the radii, or 5 divided by 3. Now it's time to try a problem on your own. Prove these circles similar. Circle C with center 2, 3 and radius 5, and circle D with center -1, 4 and radius 10. Now for this example, I want you to graph the translation. The first circle is circle C with center 0, -3 and radius 2, and the second circle is circle D with center -2, 5 and radius 6. And again, I'd like you to show the translation between these circles that prove them similar. Alright guys, well that's the end of the lesson, and just to close out and recap what we've learned, the definition of a circle is a closed plane curve, and it consists of all points at a given distance from the point within it called the center. And here's a picture of a circle showing you the radius on a graph, and here is how we prove the standard form equation of a circle that we referenced earlier, x squared plus y squared equals r squared, with center 0, 0. And remember guys, all circles are similar, so when you're proving circles similar, all you need to do is find the translation and the dilation. Thanks.